Researchers at UOW have successfully created 3D printed ear cartilages using stem cells, hoping to help children suffering from microtia. Their project is ramping up as they're taking their 3D printer Alec to the next phase, introducing a prototype to Sydney's Royal Prince Alfred Hospital.
We're getting clinical approaches from people that see they have a challenge in front of them, and 3D printing or bioprinting might be useful.
UOW researchers started working on this project just over 2 years ago, which makes coming into the clinical stage an exciting breakthrough. Looking into the future, researchers see a variety of avenues this technology could go down.
We really wanted to see that this could firstly address the problem that we have in shortage of donor grafts, and then maybe tying that with a little bit of cosmetics.
A new UOW research facility called Tricep was opened in November last year for these biotech researchers. Its aim is to commercialise projects that researchers have worked on, bringing new products into the market.
The role of Tricep is to really take all of our fundamental discoveries from the innovation campus and get it to a manufacture-ready level.
Professor Wallace says that today's ERA report is exciting because it puts UOW on the map as a serious research institute. Researchers say that without institutions like the University of Wollongong, these scientific breakthroughs wouldn't be possible. The university helps foster innovation and research by providing new workspaces, resources, and like-minded researchers. These researchers are currently working on a range of different 3D printing projects and hope to continue bringing them into the clinical stage in the future. Kira Proust, UOW TV Multimedia.